Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this we will talk about Power BI map error and how to troubleshoot. Without wasting any time, let's begin with the video. So friends, when you will try to create map visual, if you see error like this, that means map isn't enabled. In order to enable map, we will open the Power BI services. On the corner, we will click on the three dots and go to setting. Click on the admin portal. On tenant setting, scroll down all the way to integration setting. By default, some settings are disabled. So friends, under integration setting, on use Azure Map Visual, enable it and apply. The next setting we have map and field map visual. Enable this setting also and apply. And I would also recommend you to enable Azure AD single sign-on for a gateway enable and apply. Now we will go back to the Power BI desktop application, close the application and open it again. Now you will recreate the visuals and we will drop the field, latitude and longitude. You can see the map error has already been fixed. So this is the end of the video. Stay tuned on my channel, like, share. If you're new here, do subscribe and hit the bell icon in order to get latest video notification. Bye bye and Jai Hind.